Good afternoon. Welcome to LBallet. You're joining in at the junior class, and our dancers are Esme, Isis, Ezra, Sanne. Sarah, are you to be seen? Yeah, I think so. Okay. We are starting to corner 2. Remember, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. till 8. And starting with first, second, port de bras, and preparation for number 3. And I would like to have a real slow 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 1. Arms going. 1. Looking on top between the fingers and opening. Allongé. Arms down. From first, preparation for number 2. Head to the heart. Opening. And feel the distant line between the fingertips of your left and your right arm. Hold. Joining in on your shoulders. The middle fingers. Head is bending down. Shoulders going down. Coming back. Turning out. And now holding the turn out. Coming straight. Arms up and side and finish. Up. Okay. Yes. Going to the floor. Put off your shoes, please. Sitting with long toes. Yes. Yes. No clawing toes. The toes are long. These are clawing. Can you show, please, clawing toes? Can you give the camera on clawing toes, Paul?
Camera on clawing toes.
Yes, okay, and now long toes. That's right, okay. Arms are going, we know the introduction, and we are going to 3/4 and up and turn out and staying and going through the foot. Backwards, forward, backwards, turning out. There we go. Toes, 1 and up. Get turned out in your hips. Go. Stretching. And back. Turning. And again, and 1. And up. Feel that the turning is in the top of your legs. From the bottom of your hips. And 1 and 2 and parallel and go and again once more and turn out. Yeah, that doesn't matter, you can shift and stretch. It's really the legs are rolling in total, a total leg. Hold it and stretch. Point and one and hold and go. More, Isis, more. Get it under you. And relax. Yeah, you see you're looking like penguins hobbling, but that doesn't matter. That's good, because you are really turning. When I do one leg, you can see it. It's the whole leg. So you have to do this, otherwise you can't move these muscles. So this has to work, eh? And you are a little too much open in the legs. So hold them together. And now, yes, turning. Okay. The hamstring exercise. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I was too quick. Stretch yourself out. And going out of the hips. And go on and one. And go. And coming back and a little open so that your head fits in. Go. Reach. Next one in a gallop, and the 1 and the 2, or right foot for you. 1 and up and down and up again and uppy. That's the worst one. And up, there we go again, and up. Come on. And down, and the last one, there we go, up. Thank you, and lay down, head to number 4. Feet to 8. Essa, you are looking so angry, oh my God. Okay, there we go, 1, 2, 3, 1. Shoulders towards the fingertips and pointing, left leg, lifting, flexing, heel to the ceiling and point, ronde jambe, flexing, pointing. Are we holding the right leg open and go? Holding. Closing. And change your head. And 1 and 2 and out. Not getting the knees on the down, eh? Hold them outwards. Flex. And point. 2 measures. 2 for the circle. Flex. And point. And to the side, opening. Go, turn out, heel to the ceiling, yes, Is.